I just heard that Emma Stone swears by the gelatin trick to kickstart her day, and I have to say, I'm intrigued. Apparently, she mixes it into her morning coffee, and it's been a total game changer for her. As someone who's always looking for ways to boost my energy and feel more balanced, I decided to give the gelatin trick a try. I started incorporating it into my daily routine, and I've noticed that I wake up feeling more refreshed and alert. The gelatin trick is all about adding a spoonful of gelatin to your morning drink, whether it's coffee, tea, or even just water. And it's amazing how it can help you drop that heavy feeling and start your day on a lighter note. My friend has been doing the gelatin trick for weeks now, and she says it's been a lifesaver. She loves how it helps her stay focused and motivated throughout the morning. If you're curious about the gelatin trick and how it can become a simple yet powerful daily habit, be sure to check out the link in my description below for more information. And take a look at the pinned comment, where I'll be sharing some tips on how to make the gelatin trick a seamless part of your morning routine. By incorporating the gelatin trick into your daily ritual, you'll be taking the first step towards a more vibrant and balanced you.